So today I'm going to take you step by step on opening up a Truebill account on your phone. So what we're going to do is you can see right over here in real time, we actually have step-by-step process of what it's going to take to open up your account, all the information it's going to ask you. Now, as we go through this process, if you do want to sign up for Truebill, I will have a link for them in the show notes down below. That does help support out the channel, but it gets you right to the download app, and sometimes they have a nice little bonus for my users. So what we're going to do is actually click on the Get Started page right over here, and it says choose your top goals. If you wanted to, this can also change, by the way. So you can do cancel subscriptions, lower my bills, create a budget, any of these that work for you and kind of help you understand like where you want to go financially. So right here, we're going to go ahead and do track my net worth, but a lot of people like to do the cancel subscriptions in case they have things on their account that they completely forgot about. You can also choose multiple if you want to, but just something to keep in mind, and we'll hit on continue here next. So first it's going to ask us, tell us about yourself. It says enter your full name, legal name below to get started with Truebill. So we're going to put our first and our last name. So once we plug that in, it's going to ask us for our account to be created. And it says enter your email address below. This will be your login to Truebill and to Rocket. So this is going to be essentially a double account that we're creating here for us. And it says at the very bottom, it says if you have a Rocket account, you can actually sign in. So that will kind of clear up a little bit more of the steps that we need to take. But for this example, we're just going to create a whole new account. So we're going to plug in our email and then hit continue once that's highlighted. So once we plugged in our email, it's going to ask for our password. So we're going to go ahead and put in a password. We can also use Face ID to save time, which is already highlighted there. And then we're going to do the agree to the terms and conditions and privacy policy. Once all that is good, we're going to have that continue button highlighted, and then we're going to move on to the next step. It says tell us about yourself. It says select all the options that apply to you from the cards below. It says I rent, I own, I'm married, have kids. So you can do all those, or you can hit I prefer not to say. So click on the options that work best for you. So right over here it says get peace of mind. It says enable notifications to easily stay on top of your spending. You can always customize this later. If you want to do that, you can hit continue at the bottom there, or if you want to skip it, you can hit the top right skip. So over here it's going to say we'd love to know how you found us. They have a bunch of different options. We're going to do influencer. I guess that's what I'm considered here. And then right over here it says connect your account to find subscriptions. It says link your account so that we can detect your subscriptions and help you save money. This is bank level security, so keep that in mind. We can go through checking, which is required, or you can also add in credit cards as well. So we're going to go ahead and add a checking account onto this account. So from over here, it looks like we're going to be able to choose accounts that we have available for us. If you don't see it right over here, I accidentally clicked on one. You can also do by search, so you can go ahead and add them in. It looks like it is going to be going through Plaid. Plaid is a secure system that allows you to instantly connect your bank account to Truebill or any other companies for that matter at a relatively quick rate. So we're going to go ahead and add our account in. So this is with Plaid right over here. You can see it's going to go through the process of what they're going to be asking for. We can click on continue. It's going to ask us to plug in our email and password for that bank account. So we're going to go ahead and plug that information in. So once we went through and verified our phone number, it's going to have us choose the accounts that we want. We can select all if we wanted to, or just the accounts that we want Truebill to be able to go through. So we're just going to click our checking account here and hit continue. And then we have successfully added in our bank account. So we're going to hit continue on there again. And it's going to load up here. If we want to keep on adding, we can, or we can hit continue. We got a little confetti there, which is nice. So from right over here, it says we're in this together. We trust if we bring you value, you'll support us fairly. You can actually choose how you want to pay. You can also do 7 days free trial, cancel anytime at the bottom, which we'll go ahead and do right over here. Or you can click that customization, and you can see over here, you can kind of pay what you need as well, which is kind of a cool way to go about it. And it says, but we think that you should pay for what you think is fair. So obviously the more money you're saving, probably the more money you want to be helping kind of support the cause that they're having for people to be able to save money. So now that it's going through, it's going to go ahead and create our account right over here, just adding everything up that we've created. And then it's going to be able to go through the process of setting everything up. You can see right over here, it says we are all set up and our account is now up and running for us. And there's so many little things that we can start doing when it has our account up and ready for us to check on subscriptions, to see how we're spending, to create a budget, to even look at improving your credit score. So many different options for us are going to now be available that Truebill is downloaded and our account is created. So like I mentioned earlier, I'm gonna have a link for Truebill in the show notes down below for you. That does help support out the channel, but it gets you right to the download page so you can go ahead and get started and sign up for your own account with Truebill. Now, I want you to keep on learning and growing with managing your finances, so check out my next video right over here. My name is Dennis, and I want to help you in that next video.